Hi guys, welcome. This is World Olympiad Mathematics. Today, day 28. Thank you so much for everyone. Nandri, Vanakkam, Bomastuti, the Gatama Pitaka, and the Innavata. Adat Balamu, Ada Supirima Pasnatunak. Superb question to work today. To be worked today. 3 problems, all algebraic questions. Balamu, the short time period I hope to work these all 3. Okay, see first question here. If 5 plus 6 into 5 square plus 6 square into 5 to the power 4 plus 6 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 8 plus 6 to the power 8 into and so on, blah 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 blah, පරිපෝඩ 5 to the power 1024 ධන 6 වෙනි බලය 1024 last 5 to the power 2048 completely 3 to the power 1024. Question is actually simplify the problem, but I have modified later part. I found a to the power b, show that is pattern of a to the power b, show a plus b 1036 something, right? After finishing, come back to next question. So this completely simplify සුළු කරලා මේ විදියට එන්න ඕනේ ඉපඩි වරවනොම්. If you simplify all these part, finally equal to there's a base, there's a power. අඩියුම් අඩුකුම இருக்க வேணும். Base and the power. පාදහා බලය දර්ශක ආකාරයට පෙන්නමු. Okay. Next question. See my tricky. I said all my tricky problems පොඩ්ඩක් එහෙම්ෙන් නොසිතු නොදකපු ප්‍රශ්න වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, so I found here, see 5 square plus 6 square, 5 power 4 plus 6 power 4, 5 power 8 plus 6 power 8, and so on. 1024, 1005 and 6. Them all coupled. Therefore, I found to say separate this. I make this also something that square pattern. Make it put a varga ආකාරයට ලියන්න මම පෙළඹෙනවා. වර්ගංගල කාටුවම් පුලේලි the වර්ගංගල කාටුවම්. Therefore, see my technique, that is, see here, 6 minus 5, right? 6 minus 5 is 1, no matter whatever, 1. Therefore, that's all. Now, here after 5, I write 6 first. 6 square plus 5 square. Next, 6 power 4 plus 5 power 4. The other one, 6 to the power 8 plus 5 to the power 8, okay? And so on. 5 to the power 1024 plus 6 to the power 1024, okay? And finally, plus 5 to the power 2048, right? This is the main tricky in this question. ඊට පස්සේ ඔබලා මට උගන්වයි. නිංගල එනක කට් පික් කළාම්. That's the technique. අපි පටන් ගැනීම තියෙන අපේ අතේ. So I'm saying ගුරුවරයා පටන් ගත්තම ළමයා ඊට පස්සේ ඔටෝ ළමයා ගුරුවරයාට උගන්වන්න පුළුවන්. So 3 to the power 1024, right? Okay, dear. I missed the 5 plus 6 available already. Already 6 plus 5 available. I missed that. See, will you that? On Q1, this is unedited video. Kelimma gatta video kara record kara demma. So 6 minus 5 is 1. And there's a 5 plus 6 or 6 plus 5. That is available. Okay. Right. Now see. What is 6 minus 5 into 6 plus 5? A minus B, A plus B. X minus 8, X plus 8. X square minus 8 square. Primary factorization. 10 minus X, 10 plus X. 100 minus X square. A square minus B square form neither. So this I can be saying 6 square minus 5 square. Okay. And the again other part, 6 square plus 5 square. Next bracket, 6 to the power 4 plus 5 to the power 4, okay? And 6 to the power 8 plus 5 to the power 8. And so on, 5 to the power I write 6 first. 1024 plus 5 to the power 1024. So antima pada irudi urup 5 to the power 2048, right? Over 3 to the power 1024, right? Okay, the space problem. Okay, see furthermore. And now see this two. Now see this two. 6 square minus 5 square. 6 square plus 5 square. That is 6 to the power 4 minus 5 to the power 4. Karani vadivam. Sadhaka denuma, right? A varga rina B varga into A varga dana B varga. A bada hatara venta puluwa me wagi different between the squares, right? So this together this. Okay, now bend end pada adu enawa neda. Poho uruppugal kureindu kondu varugiன்றது. Okay, and that is 6 to the power 8 plus 5 to the power 8. Okay, and so on. Finally 6 power 1024 plus 5 to the power 1024 plus 5 to the power 2048, right? Over, don't forget there's a over below. 3 to the power 1024. Okay, right now I am going to stop this. And the back. Devarak pennuwa deparak pennuwa irumurai kotirukkuren. Now again you can simplify, right? 6 to the power 4 minus 5 to the power 4. 6 to the power 4 plus 5. So make a 8 to enawa. 6 to the power 8 minus 5 to the power 8. Okay. At last there's a term 6 to the power medeka balanda. I write that one then finally what happened? 6 to the power 2048 minus 5 to the power 2048. Okay. Okay, can you see this? Plus 5 to the power 2048. Lamai oyala lassana potta aragana me copy karala lassana diyala tiyaganta. Then only is very clear. Ninga tolande ellikondu ponom. Day 28 today from August 1st. The day 28 days, so many videos, so many problems, more than 50, exceeding 50. I work the questions, okay? Right, now see finally what happened. 5 to the power, this part to cancel, right? These two cancel. Remaining is the answer, okay? I show the final answer here. So finally 6 to the power 2048 over 3 to the power 1024, right? Now try to simplify this answer as a third form. Darshaka akara sutti vadivathil taruvam. See, can I write this part? 3 6 square completely power 1024 over 3 to the power 1024. Okay, indices rule, power of a power multiple, right? So 2048 harineda. So here 36 mehe 3. So can I write this 36 below 3 completely power 1024, right? 1024 ඔන්න මේක අප ගත්තා අපි එහෙමනම් රිදි බොඩයි 12 අඩක ඔන්න මේක තමයි ප්‍රොබ්ලම් වල ස්පීඩින් කරා මම 12 to the power 1024, right? Final answer 12 to the power 1024. 12 to the power 1024. So I ask my question that is show this A to the power B pattern. So this is A, this is B, right? So A is 12, B is 1024. Therefore addition 1036. Okay, that is a simple. So every beginning is important. Mekatama pada, mekatama technique. Meka idai seidarandal angala poirkalam. Mekatama uparima tricky me prasne mahamolakaru. Mahamolakaru me ai 6 minus 5 දාගෙන යන්න කැපීගෙන යනවා ඉතින් continuous and so on, like a number pattern. So my target is similar problem comes in the future, you can use this technique, right? Okay. Day 28, thank you so much, new subscribers. Furthermore, share these for others, not only regional, international mathematics, World Olympiad Mathematics YouTube platform. So very useful. Those are preparing for Olympiad, regional, district level, school level, many more. Okay, we'll see today the second question, that also algebraic part, right? My second question is here this simplify, right? Simplify, give the simplest form. Sometimes these questions are like MCQ, multi-choice question, irrigand. කනපාල අපි ගාගෙන ලොටෝ ඉස්සර අපේ කාලේ ලොටෝ ගහනවා කියලා කියනවා අපේ the answer is given, A part one answer, B part one answer, C part one answer, D part, underline the most suitable answer, maybe that. Okay, already I submit the problem in my along with that WhatsApp group, so I think most of you work this and are waiting for my solution. So mawa balanda haride balanda mawa correct karanda. I'm always saying from the first video, this is unedited, number one. Another one, this is my method answer. There may be various methods godak tiyanda puluwang niraya murai irukkalam, but answer finally all the mathematicians, all the teachers la dannawa antima uttara samanaya motam eka wage enda one. This my method, how I am teaching in the classroom. Okay. Okay, we'll simplify this one, right? See, we'll use this indices work. This is also power indices problem. Try to convert the, the indices rule. A to the power m multiple A to the power n is A to the power m plus n. So this side multiple bases same at the power. The same other side to come, if you can expand that by multiplication power. Bases අඩිகள் සමාන இருந்தா பெருக்கும் போது අඩිகளை கூட்ட வேணும். මේ දෙක එකතු කරන්න ඕනේ පාදයේ සමානයි දර්ශක නීති අංක 1. Okay, එමුද මෙතන 4 into dot means into, not decimal, right? 4 to the power x. Okay, this right, and what it is 5 to the power. Can I write 2x into 5 to the power 1, right? So I take the problem 4 into 4 to the power x minus 1. 4 to the power x minus 1. Check the problem is available, original problem. 4 to the power x minus 1, right? So therefore here 4 to the power x, 4 to the power x into 4 to the power minus 1. Bases සමානයි නම් එකතු කළ යුතුයි. Okay. තවත් තියෙනවා 4 to the power 2x into 5 to the power 1. 5 to the power 2x. Okay. This is the original problem. Simplify. සුළු කරලා අවම solution එක දෙමු. Here 4 to the power x minus 1. 4 to the power x into 4 to the power minus 1, right? Bases සමානයි න එකතු කරා මේක එනවා නේද? The same method here, plus come here. What about this one? 20 to the power x into 20 to the power 1, right? Into 5 to the power x into 5 square. Is it clear? Hadisi wenda back. Hariyata balanda. Okay, now over below emat kalamuda 100 no any expansion of 100. 8 also I keep as it is. What is 25? I keep as it is. And whatever this one, use expand the rule number 1 of indices. 2 to the power 2x into 2 to the power 1. Okay, this is your first step, right? And now see this cancel. Bases same when you multiple at the power 1 minus 1, here 1 1 minus 1, 0. 4 to the power 0 is 1. Cancel, right? This 2 cancel, this 2 cancel. So here 4 to the power x. හදන්න පොඩ්ඩ සුළු වෙලා සරලම අඩු වෙනවා කෑලි අඩු වෙනවා ලේසි. That is mathematical tricky simplification. How this one මං දාන්නද 5 square completely x. Another rule of integers. A to the power m completely n. This can be shown as a to the power mn, right? mn, okay? So make a mehema hari neda. And there is, okay, this cancel 4 power x. Here this one and there's a 5, right? Method tender. See this 2, this 2, this 2, this 2. 20 power x, 5 to the power x. We can take power of the product of the power. 20 times 500. Then they cover 100 to the power x, okay? And what about the next one? Into 5 square 25, 5 square 25, 25 times 20, 500, okay? That is 500, right? Over, below what? 100 to the power x, right? 100 to the power x into 8. Here also you can see the similar fashion. 25, I write that 25 power x into 2 to the power 2 square came with the 2 square power x, okay? And there is a into 2, y into 2. I follow here, right? See that? Okay, is it okay? 100 hari, 8 hari, 25 hari. Here 2 to the power 2x. I have shown 2 square and x outside, right? And this one. Now say this completely 5 square 25 power x, 4 to the power x, common power, 25 into 4, 100 to the power x, okay? And there's a 5, right? There's a 5 into, right? Positive, what is the other part here? 100 to the power x, 100 to the power x into 500, okay? Into 500. And continue this process for simplify the simple form. What the answer expected, simplify 100 power x, okay? Over, what is that below? 100 to the power x, right? 100 to the power x into 8 positive. Here see will you completely power is x, 2 square 4 into 20, 100. Here also 100, okay? 100 and here 2, therefore 100 to the power x, 100 to the power x into 2, okay? Is it okay? See will you now the final stage of this answering. Now see everywhere balanda see when power x cancel neither. Here 100 power x, 100 power x, 100 power x. Podu adagana kapala danda cancel venawa. So what the balance part? 5 plus 500 over 8 plus 2. Okay. Therefore the answer 550 below 10. Therefore the answer is it 55? Is it okay? 505. Sorry. See, we'll do that. 505 divide by 10. That is 5.5. Right? Is it okay? 5.5. If you multiply this 50.5, right? 50.5 is the answer. So it's unedited video. Uparima explain kara hema yomu kara YouTube channel eya balagai oyala balagai. Okay? 50.5 is the my second question. Answer nice integers work, right? Okay. We'll see today's third question. I can't skip because 3 in 1. Today day 28, 3 and 1. My third question, that is what? 64 to into 2 to the power 2x, okay? And plus 1, right? Plus 1. equal to 65. I hope you already completed and are waiting for this solution. ආසාවෙන් ආදරෙන් පුන පුන බලන් ඉන්නවා ඇති උත්තරේ එන්නේ එනුඩි බොඩේපා කාතර කරින්ගල්. So those are regularly following, daily followers, thank you so much. Make a Honda mathematician and you can share this for others. Those are preparing for any challenging exams, more like Olympiad or zonal wise, any mathematical contest. 64 power 2 to the power 2x plus 1. 60, okay, what is the x value, right? Okay, see my method. I might try to say this 2 power x aravage metana balamuda 64 2 to the power x completely 2, okay, square. Here's a small part of the tricky indices work. Darshakakara podda kavashyavai 65 into 2 to the power x neda, okay. Now dear subscribers, dear viewers, most of the question we use some substitute available. Can I use the substitute? I take let 2 to the power x is t kila kiyanda. 2 to the power x is say t or y or u whatever. So what is 64 make a t square plus 1 equals 65. This is t, okay. Now this simple case, I hope you can know this. Quadratic equation. Rearrange the general form of the quadratic equation. ඔක්කොම එක පැත්තට අරගෙන බිඳුව දෙම්මා නේද? ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now factorize if you use some primary factorization. 64t minus 1 the next one t minus 1, okay. හරිද බලන්න සරියන්ට පාරංගල් මේක multiple කරමු tk is okay, yes, okay, minus plus, therefore you know two things equal to 0. 64t equal to 1 or t equal to 1, therefore t answer 1 over 64, otherwise 1 t equal 1. But I mentioned t, what the final answer. Now come back to substitute what we said t value. You can see what is t for 2 to the power x, right? Therefore 2 to the power x equal 1 over 64, or otherwise 2 to the power x equal 1. Can you say this? Okay, right? Therefore now you can work this indices method. Darshaka niti anodamudha 2 to the power 6 take up. Therefore x equal minus 6. X equal minus 6. Don't forget two answers tiyanama. And come back here. 2 to the power x equal 2 power 0. Any power 0 is 1. Any power 0 is 1. On x is 0. Two solutions available. Yeah, 0 comes 1, 1, 1, 1. 64 plus 1, 65. The both values are satisfies here. So nice tree problem, day 28. Okay, we'll see tomorrow another fantastic and attractive type of world type of mathematics tomorrow.